What's up, mi gente? And today we're back in the kitchen, but we're doing something a little different. We're not gonna be doing any cooking today. We're actually gonna be cleaning the oven, and we're gonna be using the pink stuff. If you've never heard of the pink stuff, this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be an amazing, amazing cleaner. I've used it before, but never to clean the inside of the oven. So this time I'm gonna be cleaning inside of the oven, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a before and after. Okay guys, and this is the final result after wiping it all down. It didn't take everything off, as you see, so I'm gonna have to move on to my other products and try to see what really works. So I'm going to be trying out these two instead, and let's see how it goes. This brand you can get from your local Dollar Tree. Definitely overdid it. Don't do what I did. Anyway, let's just start pouring this over. Alright. Let's see how this goes. All right, and this is the final result. Everything didn't come off because those are rust stains, but look at this glass. Look at this glass. Everything came off of here with that baking soda and the soap. Highly recommend. Thank you all for following along today as we cleaned the oven. Don't forget to hit like, comment below if you tried the trick, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys soon.